Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that over the past several days, the price has been, in a nice upwards movement. I don't think anybody's going to sit here and argue that, from where it had closed today to, compared to where it was not that long ago, that this hasn't been a nice move. Everybody would agree this has been a nice solid move, but that does lead into the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of true strength? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at the $1.30 mark. Why is the $1.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, they're going to make progress as time goes by. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's going to make progress and not go back to where it was. Exactly. So think about $1.30. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it was, way back here during the low portions of the chart. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. You want to see progress forward. Heck, but if you look at it like this, let's say that a drastic pullback happens. So not saying this happens, but let's say that some sort of drastic pullback happens all the way to $1.30, but it bounces from there. What would you have in this situation after such a drastic pullback? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. A move with genuine power is going to keep on making progress as time unfolds. And in this case, I am just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as $1.30. Now, ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? If the price can maintain up above the $1.38 mark, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest. But in the event the price can't hold above it, I'm not going to say that everything's totally ruined, because you still do have hope down there at $1.30, which would still, as hopefully I've done a good job illustrating, allow for a higher base to be built. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the pink line right there right now, the famous 200 period simple moving average. You can see this is right where the price started to have problems after pretty much smooth sailing, and then it started to struggle up around there. Not saying that the price can't break above that pink line or anything like that, just saying it makes sense why the price struggled there. But going into next week, the bulls are going to have to bring their A game if they're not only going to break above that pink line, but then start to get some closes up above it. So very nice past few days, and we'll have to sit back and see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.